Whether you need or not, I'm going to be sharing 3 tips for you that will change your donut game. I'll give you a very fluffy donut recipe. The last one is very important. Please don't skip it. Tip number one, choose your flour. This secret is very important. Most persons don't mention it, especially if you're in the US or in the UK. You know you will struggle. If you don't know the kind of flour to use for your donut, please go for your bread flour to be on a safe side. Secret number two, use active dry yeast. Now, active dry yeast is the one you prove before adding to your flour. You can use your instantly yeast as you can see here, the one you add directly to your flour, but I prefer using active dry yeast. It gives you a more bouncy donut. If you have experienced it, please comment in the comment section. For your active dry yeast, you just need to proof in warm water. You leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes. It should foam up like this. If it doesn't, please discard. It means it is not active. Once it forms like this, your mind is at rest. You know when you add it directly to your flour, your donut is not just going to come out being very looking very good, it's going to come out being very fluffy. Tip number three, add eggs and knead with butter. I did a poll last week and I was asking, what do you think makes your donut fluffy? And everyone chose every other option apart from egg. And I said, eggs are very important. Like you can't even joke about it. If you skip egg in your donut, whether you need or not, the difference is clear. Just 1 egg to 1 kg of flour, though I advise 1 egg to 500 grams of flour, meaning when you add an extra 500 grams of flour, you add 1 egg. It will take your donut game to another level. Your donut will be so soft that even you'll be surprised. I do recommend you mix your eggs in warm water before adding it directly to your flour. What it does, it helps your egg to dissolve easily in your flour without having lumps. If you don't mix your egg with warm water and add it directly to your flour, I notice that it forms little bits of lump. Then knead with butter. Now you can add your butter before adding water, but kneading with butter is one secret I found that I said, Kai, if you don't know this secret, you're in trouble. Now look at this dough I kneaded with butter. Look at how soft it's looking after kneading for 20 minutes. Look at this other dough. I did not knead with butter. Look at how dry it's looking after kneading. You can see kneading with butter makes the outer surface of your donut feel so soft, while adding egg makes the inside of your donut feel so fluffy. So you can see the combination of these two is the game changer. Have you watched till this point and you haven't subscribed to Debbie's Kitchen? Do subscribe, do like and share, do comment. These tips is what I use to give my donut a very fluffy texture both inside and outside. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I hope you've learned something new. Do like, share and subscribe and see you in my next one. Bye. Good to have you here. God bless you.